Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A34 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can change navigation buttons in your phone Samsung Galaxy A34 5G. These are all navigation buttons. This is back button, this is home button, this is recent tap button. If you want to change navigation button, yes, you can do it. What you do is just go to the settings of your phone here, then go to display. Go to display, then go to navigation bar. Here button option is available. In the button option, this is the order. Okay, this is back button, home button and recent tap button. First order is displayed here. Okay, if you want to use other order, that is if you want to reverse the order, yes, you can select this second one, and order is reverse. That is back button is now in the left side and recent tap comes to the right side. Okay, always home button will be unchanged. Okay, it is in middle. Okay, see the changes. This is back button. For example, I go something here and I go back using this left navigation button. If you want to show the recent tabs, click here and all opened apps are showing here. Okay, if you want to go to home, and then click on middle button. Okay, this is reverse order. In the button you can use two orders. Okay, by default back button is on right side. If you want to reverse, back button goes to left side. Okay, you can also customize other option here. Go to the settings again and go to display, then go to navigation bar, and instead of button you can use swipe gestures. Second option, if you select second one, swipe gestures will be maybe used. Okay, yes, swipe gestures is active, and see here, for going back you go to swipe from the right side here. Okay, right side to left side or left side to right side. Okay, both will be acting for going back. Okay, for going home you go to swipe in the middle. Okay, for viewing recent tabs you go to swipe in the middle and hold, it will show. See here, I go home now. Okay, just swipe up here and it will go home. If you swipe up here and hold, it will show all recent tabs. Okay, I go home. For going back, what you do is, see here, for going back you go to swipe from right side to left side here. Okay, just above bottom side here you can swipe. Okay, from left side to right side also working as see here. For going home, for going back you can either use right side to left side or left side to right side. Okay, see here. Okay, you have also other option here. Okay, instead of swiping from side, you can swipe from the bottom itself. Okay, I will show the settings. I can go to the settings here and go to display, then go to navigation bar, and here more options is available. Just click it. Instead of swipe from sides, just you can swipe from bottom. Okay, just select first one. Now for going back you go to swipe up from the bottom bottom. If you swipe in the bottom right side, it will show all recent tabs. If you swipe in the bottom left side, it will go back. Okay, see here, it goes back. It is for viewing recent tabs. For going home, swipe in the middle. Okay, so swipe in the swipe up in the bottom right side will show the recent tabs. Swipe up from the bottom left side will go back. Swipe up in the bottom middle will go home. Okay, In this way also you can customize swipe from the bottom itself. Okay, if you want to set back to button navigation method, old default method, yes, you can do it. Go to the settings again and go to display, then go to navigation bar and change to button. Okay, and change the button order to. This is the default navigation settings in your phone Samsung Galaxy A34 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.